Wadi Rum, often called the Valley of the Moon, is one of Jordan's most enchanting landscapes. This vast desert is known for its dramatic sandstone mountains, red sand dunes, and ancient rock inscriptions. Whether you're a film enthusiast, history buff, or simply a lover of breathtaking scenery, Wadi Rum offers an extraordinary experience.
Wadi Rum's otherworldly beauty has captured the imagination of filmmakers for decades. Its Martian like landscape has served as the backdrop for several iconic movies, including Lawrence of Arabia in 1962, 2015's The Martian, Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker from 2019, as well as Dune released in 2021.
Walking through Wadi Rum feels like you're stepping onto the set of a sci fi epic, immersing you in the worlds of these cinematic masterpieces.
Entry to Wadi Rum typically costs 5 Jordanian dinars per person. However, this fee is waived for holders of the Jordan Pass, making it an excellent value for travelers planning to visit multiple attractions across Jordan. Many guided tours, jeep safaris, and camel treks include the entrance fee in their package price, so be sure to confirm that when booking.
Wadi Rum offers a wide array of experiences that showcase its natural and cultural treasures.
7 Pillars of Wisdom, named after T.E. Lawrence's famous book, these dramatic rock formations are a must-see. Rising steeply from the desert floor, they are a popular spot for photography and hiking.
Next is Al Khazali Canyon. This narrow gorge serves as a natural refuge from the sun while offering a fantastic glimpse into history. Its walls are adorned with ancient petroglyphs showcasing intricate depictions of people, animals, and scenes that hint at their ritual significance.
The petroglyphs of Wadi Rum, carved into the rock faces by the Nabateans and earlier civilizations, stand among the region's most captivating treasures. These ancient inscriptions include depictions of animals, hunting scenes, and some of the earliest forms of written communication. They provide a vivid window into the daily lives, cultural practices, and spiritual beliefs of the people who once thrived in this harsh yet beautiful desert environment.
Of course, you are going to be seeing some epic sunrise and sunset views. Watching the sun rise or set over Wadi Rum's red sands and jagged peaks is a magical experience. Many tours include stops at prime viewing locations to capture this natural spectacle.
Be sure you check out the array of desert activities available to you, including jeep safaris, which is a thrilling way to explore Wadi Rum's vast expanse, or camel rides, where you can immerse yourself in the Bedouin traditions. Additionally, they have hot air balloon rides, where you can experience a bird's eye view of the stunning desert landscape.
Your trip wouldn't be complete without experiencing some of the Bedouin culture. Local Bedouin tribes still inhabit Wadi Rum and offer an authentic cultural experience. Enjoy traditional meals, tea, and stories around a campfire, often as part of an overnight desert camp.